Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and we have an unboxing today.
All right, I'm gonna see if I can do this one-handed. Nope, I'm not gonna be able to. Let me just explain a little bit here. I'm kind of in an awkward place doing this unboxing. My mom actually passed out and she broke her lower back. And anyway, needless to say, she is needing my help. So I dropped everything and rushed down to Florida to help her, along with my other two sisters. And yeah, your life can change in a split second. So anyway, I had a package that was coming to Louisiana. I had ordered it like the day before all this, and it was on a weekend, and so I rushed down here, and on the way I realized I had this package coming, and I'm probably going to be in Florida for at least a couple of months, maybe even 3 months, and so I wanted this package to come here and not Louisiana. So I contacted the seller and told her we had a family emergency and to send the package somewhere else, and she was really good about it, and here it is. Let me cut this open and I'm going to show you what it is, and then I'm going to show you why I ordered it, or I'll tell you why I ordered it. I'm anxious to see this. Oh. Okay, hang on, let me see. Is there anything else in there? I think it's just yeah, it's just the slip of paper you get when you order stuff. So, I have all kinds of interesting things in here. I have moons, as you can see, and then I have some really fun charms besides the moons. Let me open this up and we'll go through them, and I can tell you the story of why I ordered these. Here they are. I got little chickies. Aren't these cute? We've got these kind of chickies. And we have these kind of chickies. And we have some moon beads. And then I got some little freebies. Here they are. Now, as some of you may know, I dance with a group of ladies up at the senior center. We go around the community and we perform at different venues. And in our community is another dance group called the Luna Chicks. And guess what? I'm now a Luna chick. I am so excited about this. I actually, I guess you could say, auditioned for the group. And I just found out about a week or so ago that I'm going to be a part of the group. And they really look like they have a lot of fun. I've been wanting to join the Luna Chicks for quite some time. And finally I did. Now, the plan is to make Luna Chick jewelry, and it's for a specific reason. So I've been goofing around with some of my wax cording, and I already came up with this style of bracelet. Where it's actually called the Louisiana Luna Chick. So I've got the Louisiana Mardi Gras colors there. We got the Luna part of it, but I thought it'd be fun to add some little chickens, little chicks. So that's why I ordered these. And this is like a bead. Let's see how it goes through there. So it's going to hang like this. So I've got to figure out the design. I'm going to be playing around with it a lot. I've been spending a lot of time at the hospital, but now we're at rehab. So, and we are not leaving our mom. I've got one sister that's on night duty. I'm on day duty, and this will give me something to do while my mom heals. But anyway, the reason, a couple of reasons I am making some Louisiana Luna Chick jewelry is because I just think it'd be cool to have some Louisiana Luna Chick jewelry to wear. But also, we are getting ready for a major trip, July 2026.
is going to be the 250th anniversary, or birthday, I guess you could say, of the United States of America. And we have been invited to be in a parade in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and in Washington, D.C. And so we're going to be doing a lot of fundraising, trying to lower the price of our trip. And hopefully I'll be able to sell a bunch of these and help with the fundraising. So anyway, that's what this is all about. So stay tuned to see what I come up with. And let me know, which little chickie do you like? Do you like this one or this one? I don't know. I like them both. I think they're really, really cute. And I'm not really for sure if all the bracelets were going to be the Mardi Gras colors. I may do different. We have different color shirts and stuff we wear, so I may try to match them to that. I really don't know what I'm going to do yet, so this is a work in progress. But like I said, let me know which of the chickies you like the best. And I really appreciate thoughts and prayers to go out to my mom for a quick recovery. She is a very active woman, and we need to get her back to where she was before. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.